I just made my first sugar wax hair remover, and it did not even cost me up to 1,000 naira. I got my sugar, 3 cups. I got one big lemon, and I just used water. And this is how it's going to look like, completely brown and thick. As a first time sugar wax user, the most important thing you should know is that sugar waxing is painful, and there are two processes. The first process we'll be using will be that of a spatula. This is a hair of 1 week old. The first thing we do is apply our powder on the surface of the hair. It makes it less painful, not painful at all. We rub that all over our armpits. The next thing we want to do is take a considerable amount of sugar wax while still using our spatula. Now it's so sticky, so we should be careful. And the next thing we do is to rub it and apply it, maybe not evenly, but enough to cover every hair part. Now it will be very sticky in the application, also due to the powder application, so we have to be very careful not to rub it all over our body. The next thing we're going to do is place a parchment paper directly on top of it before the wax gets colder than before, and then we press it onto our skin so the sugar wax and the parchment paper gets completely stuck together. We can either place our hand to hold it in or just keep pressing it on different areas. Now, before you do this, always take a deep breath, very, very deep breath, and count to at least 3 before you pull it out, because it's going to hurt. The tiny black dots are the hair that pulled out, but it was kind of hard to show. The second process is using your hand to directly collect the sugar and apply it on your skin directly. So what we have to do is follow the same process of powder and then applying it all over your armpit. Now, if you're this person that has a very sweaty palm, the best way you can do is to use a handkerchief or hand towel to dab out the sweat, and just use your hand to pull out the wax like you did with the parchment paper. For my own skin, I decided not to use oil. I used my body cream instead. Understanding this about sugar waxing is that different people have different hair. Some of them are coarse, some of them are soft. For some, it can take several waxings before the hair is completely pulled off, while for others, it can take just one waxing. But understand this, as a first time sugar wax hair remover user, you don't have to completely pull out the hair in your first trial. With constant practice and with time, you will get used to sugar waxing, its pain, and its application. So why don't you ditch the razor or shaving cream and try sugar wax today?